Deputy Inspector General of Police Eastern Range Davis R. Marak IPS menta ka arpau santarik naitung araja arpau lai ulaong baki pulet gidang tokit halor gejing keno badan kiba sam shithi dawa pisa haka kerteng kaseng baan ka New Trap National Liberation Council shakibriu haga jela Davis ulai thu ba ubalapau kerteng senshar khamdet ulawan banpla haki pulet ba umtip AA kumbalapau hakilat pathai khubor ba udei unong dawa pisa haka seng haka juk kapor ulaong bakaseng Hnlc kadai kaseng lekno bat omla banno Synñiang da kanu kadur bat kibaya le persya akaan kan trei
demand note has surfaced and it is circulating and it was even reported in the media. The person purportedly whose name came out, he has denied his involvement. In fact, he has come to police headquarters yesterday also, and he has denied. So we are further inquiring into it as to the veracity, whether it is actually, whether it is true, as to whether his involvement is there or not, or somebody else may have used his name for serving his demand notes. So we are inquiring into that. See, we cannot rule out at this stage because, as we say, we are inquiring into this matter, and only once we inquire and investigate into this matter fully, then we will be able to find out. Like I said before, the person whose name appeared, apparently, he has denied that it is not him. And in fact, he reported yesterday to police headquarters also. Now, whether these are genuine Hnlc demand notes or somebody is taking advantage using the name of Hnlc for the serving demand notes, that we will uncover when we investigate further into this case. Association. Hnlc is an unlawful association. So they will be liable. Any form of donation, help, contribution, they will be liable. So anyone donating, contributing, and if you get to know, and we have proof that they are donating, we will take action as per law. Even as of now, Hnlc is an unlawful association.